Here we're back with the question which I asked you to work out in the last video. Now, the height of the tank is 10 plus or minus 0.3 meter. The diameter is 30 plus or minus 0.5 meters. It's a good thing to get a visualization of what our problem is. Alright? Now the thing is, what we're given is the diameter, but it's really the radius we're going to use in our calculation. So radius is equal to half the diameter, which would be 15 plus or minus 0.25 meters, alright? And of course height, as they say here, the height is 10 plus or minus 0.3 meters. Now, you know that the change in the volume would be the partial derivative of volume with respect to height times the change in height plus partial derivative of volume with respect to radius times the change in radius. Alright? Now, we need the formula that links volume, radius, and height. Volume is equal to pi r squared h. Alright? Now, delta volume by delta height is going to be pi r squared. You can see that. And delta W by delta radius is going to be 2 pi r h. Okay, good. Now, the nominal volume V nominal, that is the volume without the errors, would be pi times 15 squared times 10. Alright? Pi times r squared would be 15 squared times height, which would be 10. Which is what now? Let's use our calculator for that. So we have pi multiplied by 15 squared equal multiplied by 10 equal 7068.6. 7068.6. Alright, let's call it that. Oh no, 7068.6 cubic meters. Now, that's the nominal volume. Now, going to put the thing here, the formula together, but we're going to need the values in terms of numbers. So delta V by delta H now. Delta V by delta H is pi r squared H. No, it's pi r squared, which is equal to what? Pi times radius squared, 15 squared. Yeah, 15 squared. Alright. So that's delta V by delta H. What about change in H? The change in the height is 0.3 times 0.3. Oh, let's not do that. Change in height is equal to 0.3 and put a comma to separate them. Now, delta V by delta R. Delta V by delta R is equal to 2 pi RH, which is 2 pi times 15 times, what was it, 10? Okay. And then the change in R is 0.25. So del R is equal to 0.25. Okay, good. Now, change in volume is equal to what now? Pi is going to be delta V by delta H, which is going to be pi times 15 squared times change in H, which is 0.3 plus delta V by delta R. Let me see now. 15 2s 30, 300. So it's 300 pi times change in R, 0.25. Okay, good. So change in volume is equal to, alright, so pi by 15 squared by 0.3. Let's get the calculator here now. So what do I get? Pi multiplied by 15 squared equal times 0.3 equal. So that's 212. So I have 212 plus alright, so here now. Um, 300 pi by 0.25. Okay, good. Let's go back to our calculator. 300 times pi times 0.25 equal 235. Call it 236. 236. Now we add them and we get 6 and 2, 8. 3 and 1, 4. 1, 2, 4. Alright. So the volume then is therefore 70, 68.6 or 70, 69 or 70, 68.6 then, plus or minus 448, and that is cubic meters. Alright, so that's what we have there.